service since almost the very beginning of the Land Rover story in 1948. And we thought it fitting, given the circumstances that we're in, to celebrate the contribution that Land Rover has made to not just the military services, but also the emergency services as well. And of course, naturally, one of the most celebrated vehicles we have out there is the lightweight half-ton, of course, also known as the Air Portable in its day, grew out of a British Army need to have a lightweight fighting vehicle that could be transported by air. You could bung it in a helicopter and stuff. Also, this fantastic forward control here, built into a fire engine from one of the earlier Ford controls, the ones that shared their underpinnings with the series Land Rovers, and these wonderful defenders for representing the Snatch and Wolf teams here from the desert troops who have been serving in places like Iraq and the Middle East, of course. And production of those lightweights started way back in 1968. And incredible to think that they were really specially designed.